Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to transfer videos from phone to PC. So if you have videos in your phone and you want to have it on your PC, then I'll show you the easiest way through which you will be able to transfer your videos to your PC. So first you have to simply connect your data cable to your mobile phone and then plug the data cable into your PC, and after that it will ask you to give access to your PC. You have to select the first option. By doing that, you will give the access to your PC. And here's a small trick through which you will be able to get the videos to your PC. For that, you have to simply go to the file manager and make a new folder in which you move the video that you want to have on your PC. Name it anything that you can remember, and once you give access to your PC, you will be able to locate that folder easily. Let's say you have thousands of videos, it will be really hard to find the specific video, so it's better you create a new folder, add the videos in it, and then from there you will be able to access it. And then you have to go to your PC. Once you're there, then you have to go to the file explorer, and after that you have to open this PC folder. There you will see your mobile phone. Simply double click onto it, go to internal storage, and then you will find the folder that you have created. Simply open it up and then you will find the videos. From there you can copy and paste it. Once you done copying the video, you have to close the window and then simply paste it, and after that the video will get pasted on your desktop. So that's how you will be able to transfer videos from your phone to PC. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.